If you're even thinking about trying PixelWise AI, stop scrolling because these 7 crucial things could save you hours of testing or even unlock insane value you didn't know was there. And trust me, number 7 will change how you look at AI image tools. You can try PixelWise AI completely free from the first link below. No credit card needed. Now, what makes PixelWise stand out in a sea of AI tools? First, this isn't just another image generator. It's a brand new AI software focused on high-fidelity image upscaling, precision editing, and prompt-based image generation with control. Unlike Midjourney or DALL-E, PixelWise gives you real-time feedback on changes. That's a huge win for marketers, designers, and creators who don't have time to guess what the AI thinks you meant. Second, this thing is built for speed and accuracy. Upload a blurry image or screenshot, and PixelWise AI uses its proprietary enhancement model to clean it up in seconds. But here's the cool part. You can refine the results step by step instead of relying on a one-shot render. That's rare, especially for tools this new. Third, prompt precision. PixelWise uses a diffusion-based model, but with added prompt tuning layers. That means you get more accurate results from fewer words. If you've ever struggled to get AI art to look exactly like what's in your head, this software solves that. Fourth, the interface. Super clean, beginner-friendly, but with pro-level toggles when you need them. You're not overwhelmed, but you're also not limited. Think Canva meets Photoshop, with AI doing the heavy lifting. Now this is where it gets interesting. PixelWise AI includes a masking and in-painting tool that lets you edit parts of an image without affecting the whole thing. That opens the door to next-level content creation. Social media thumbnails, client mockups, even e-commerce product fixes, all without switching platforms. Sixth, it has API access and batch editing. If you're in digital marketing or run an agency, you know how valuable this is. You can plug this into your workflow, automate bulk edits, and keep your creative process lean. That alone gives PixelWise AI real B2B potential that most tools overlook. And finally, this is what made me keep it bookmarked. PixelWise saves everything you do in a history stack, meaning you can go back, tweak individual steps, or fork your projects without starting over. That's a game changer for anyone working under client revisions or just chasing that perfect result. PixelWise AI is hands down one of the best just released AI software tools right now, not just because of what it can do, but how fast and customizable it makes the process. If you're a creator, designer, or just someone tired of hitting generate and hoping for the best, this is worth a try. Again, it's completely free to test out from the first link in the description. And if you're looking for even more powerful AI tools, I've listed my top recommendations below, after testing literally thousands of them. Try them all for free and build the perfect stack. Catch you in the next one.